Come along and sail today with Roy and Rod. We learn and play.
Roy and Rod landed on a green island full of crunchy red surprises.
Look at that! It's round and red. It's an apple. Munch, munch.
Apple. Let's break it into sounds. A-P-P-L-E.
A is the first sound in apple. P makes a puff like pop. Apple! We did it!
See you next time on Sailor Sailor Adventures.